Okay, where else are you going to find one of these? You can probably answer that question yourself. It is nowhere but Acklam Car Centre. Check this out, Gondwana Stone, Land Rover Defender 110 XS. This vehicle's actually VAT qualifying on a 73 plate. It's only done 2,900 miles, but it has the full exterior urban conversion, which, I mean, it's just a wow car. Look around this thing. Arch extensions in gloss black, fully painted, front and rear sections in gloss black, urban styling throughout. Light bar, urban lettering, urban badging, wheels, 22-inch wheels. You know, these things don't grow on trees. In this colour combination, we've never had one in these colours. You know, we've sold lots of black ones, especially recently. We've had a lot of these urbans like this in black. Well, this colour really works for me. It's stunning. And the car is an XS as well, comes fully loaded. We've got air suspension, we've got heated and cooled seats, we've got refrigerator, we've got ambient lighting switchable. Look at this. Beautiful. I'll go through all the interior features shortly, but one of these cars won't last 2 minutes on our website because it's VAT qualifying, because it's in like a brand new condition. The colour combination's wonderful. The urban badging, rear spoiler, urban rear cover on the spare wheel, classic mud flaps, all this colour coded. And if I turn the car off, you see we've got the darkened rear tail lights as well, which really look great. Lots of space in the 110. You'll see in the back left-hand side, you've got the air suspension switches there. Big feature. This car's obviously in a new condition, really. It's lovely. It's been driven. It's done 2,900 miles, but comes with balance of Land Rover warranty and breakdown assistance still remaining. Full leather interior in the XS as well, which is nice. Switchable cabin lighting. Loads of space. Opening sunroof. Keyless entry. Painted door handles. Look at this. Roof rails in gloss black. You've got the mirrors in gloss black. Fully painted down the side angle with the steps all in gloss black. Then these wheels, urban design wheels in 22-inch, genuine ones as well with the urban centre caps. Now this is an XS, so we have the matrix lights to the front with the daytime running lights, and we have the light pod at the roof. You know, you couldn't drive around in this car with that turned on. It is very, very bright, but it's a great feature to have. And then into the door, you'll see we've got the Meridian sound system, full electric, driver and passenger seats with memory, full leather seating, and there's so many features to run through on one of these XSs. So first and foremost, we've got electric steering column, heated steering wheel, cruise control, digital driver information system, ClearSight camera, switchable like so. Obviously I've mentioned the opening sunroof, but real cool features. We've got the refrigerator at the center console, wireless phone charging down here, ventilated seats to the front and heated seats to the front, air suspension, then the 360 camera system, top view, rear view and 3D, off-road camera as well. Just everything you'd wish for from one of these cars. And a D250, 250 horsepower, it drives brilliantly. But for me, if I was going to buy this car, I'm buying it because of the urban styling, the colour combination and just the way it looks. Great spec on the website now, VAT qualifying. It won't be here by the end of the day. Thanks for watching.